Livestorm Analytics is a powerful tool for gathering insights from your webinars. And if you're looking to unlock those valuable data points, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to use Livestorm Analytics to truly understand your audience, improve your webinars, and make data-driven decisions. Now, before we dive in, you can start using Livestorm Analytics completely for free by clicking the first link in the description below, where you'll also get some exclusive bonuses to maximize your experience with the platform. Stick around, because I'm going to show you exactly how to leverage this tool to its fullest potential. To start, once you're in Livestorm, you'll want to navigate to the Analytics section in your dashboard. Here, you'll find a breakdown of key metrics that give you an overview of your webinar's performance. This includes the number of registrants, attendees, engagement rates, and more. The first thing you should focus on is understanding your registration and attendance rates. High registration numbers don't always translate to high attendance, so seeing this data in real time helps you gauge the effectiveness of your marketing efforts. Livestorm gives you insights into how long people stayed in the session. This is invaluable because it tells you not just whether they attended, but how engaged they were. Were they leaving early? This data can help you improve the content and structure of your webinars to retain more attendees next time. Next, pay attention to engagement metrics. Livestorm lets you track reactions, chat participation, and question activity during your webinars. If you notice certain topics or segments spark more conversation, that's a clear indicator of what resonates with your audience. You can use this to tweak your content and make sure you're hitting the right notes for future webinars. Another feature that you absolutely need to explore is the audience segmentation data. You can analyze the demographics of your attendees, such as location, job title, or company size. This is great for understanding who your audience is and helps with lead generation or even adjusting your messaging. One of the most powerful aspects of Livestorm Analytics is its ability to track your webinar's performance over time. You can compare data from multiple sessions to see trends and identify what works and what doesn't. This longitudinal view is key for continuously optimizing your webinars. Don't forget the attendee feedback. Livestorm allows you to send out post-webinar surveys and gather feedback directly from your audience. This feedback can guide your future content and help improve your webinars. The real magic happens when you combine all of these insights. By cross-referencing data, you can better understand your attendees' behavior and preferences. This, in turn, helps you make smarter decisions moving forward. And remember, if you're interested in getting started with Livestorm, you can access the software completely free through the exclusive link in the description below. You'll also get an extended trial, so you can see everything I've covered today without any commitment. In conclusion, using Livestorm Analytics to track webinar performance gives you the data you need to refine your webinars, improve engagement, and drive better results. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out that free trial through the link below to kickstart your webinar optimization journey.